To sign up for Amino app, Amino is basically an app where you guys can pick out your interests and join communities depending on your interest. So let's see how you can sign up or create an account for it. First, launch the app once you've downloaded it, and from here you will be redirected to the homepage of the app. Now to go to your profile, just tap on top left on this icon. It will take you directly to the login page. So here you have an option to log into your account. If you already have an account, you can continue from here. But if you're new to this app, you just want to tap on sign up right here. Well, you actually have two options right here. You can either continue with your Facebook or your Google account. I'm just continue with my Google account, so I'm just going to choose my Google account. Once you have chosen your Google account, it will ask you to enter your date of birth because you have to be 13 years or older to use this app. So you can just enter your date of birth. And once you confirm it, here it will ask you to create a password. I suggest you enter a strong password that includes various symbols, numbers, and capital letters to make it strong. Once you have entered your password and confirmed your password, you can tap on next, and it will ask you to create your profile. So you will have to enter a username, or it will pick out a username based on what you've logged in with, and you just tap on agree to the terms and conditions and tap on finish signing up. After this, it will create your profile and you should be able to use the app normally. As you can see, the account has successfully been created. Now you can skip all of these process and head right over to your home screen. Now you've created an amino profile. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notification, and I'll see you on the next video.